channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and before you leave, please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button down there so that you don't miss any future videos. Today we're going to be doing an unbagging of the Colourpop Mystery Bag that I picked up. This was $25 and I believe they are now sold out. And I have seen a few variations, but pretty much everybody got the same amount of products and the same type of product. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So here's what the bag looks like. It's super cute with the little print. And then in the back it says, "Let's get wild." So this is nice and full. So let's take a look inside. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, it is a highlighter. It's their Super Shock highlighter. And it's in the shade Guilty Pleasure. So that's what it looks like. It's really pretty, and honestly, I've tried their palettes, like their pressed shadow palettes. And I've had a couple of the Super Shock eyeshadows. But other than that, I haven't really tried a lot of their other products, like their highlighters, their blushes and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. Let me put this to the side. There we go. It's a really, really pretty shade. Oh my gosh, and it feels like wet. It's really pretty. Okay. So let me tighten this up so it's nice and close because we don't want it to dry out. And that's what it looks like on my finger. And then a little swatch. Oh wow. That is really, really pretty. And it looks really pinky on the screen. Let me see if I can get it there. But it's actually a really pretty, like, rose gold type of shade. It's really nice. It's definitely really blending. Okay. So, next thing in here is a pressed powder shadow. It's this one right here. There we go. And this one is in the shade Snake Eyes. So it comes in a little plastic like this. And this one's really pretty too. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And it's like a gold shade. Actually, these two... Okay, no, the Snake Eyes is a little bit bronzy. It's this one right here. So that's really pretty. Okay, so next thing. So this is actually really cool. This is their newest product, and it's the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. It's the BFF Mascara. It's this one right here. Really super cute packaging. And we got the shade Black on Black. And I did see that they have like several colors of this, and I really, really liked the blue one and the red one. Like, I really want those. So this is the actual tube, and it has little BFFs up here and little hearts. And we're gonna open it up. And I don't know why I always smell stuff, okay? I do. I just do. And this is what it looks like. So here's the brush. So it reminds me of like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise brush, or like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's that type of hourglass shaped brush. So I'm super excited about that. We'll definitely be giving that a try. Okay. So let me take these two out. So these are their Super Shock shadows. So there's two of them in here. This one is in the shade Party of 5. Ooh, this one's really pretty. So that's what it looks like. We're going to do a little swatch. Oh, you guys, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. It's like a bronzy pink with lots of like blue and yellow glitters. It's beautiful. I love that. And the next one is in the shade Drift. So this is a really pretty burgundy. That's what that looks like. Ooh, really nice. Oh my gosh. And I love their Super Shock shadows. Like I said, I don't have that many, but the ones I do, I really enjoy because they're really easy to apply. I honestly just use my finger, put it on, and that's it. And that's what the second one looks like. So this one is Party of 5, and then the bottom one is Drift. Really, really pretty burgundy shade. And there's still more stuff in here, you guys. Okay, next two. So these are gonna be the Colourpop Lipstick in the shade Ziggy. And it says it's a matte shade. So that's the packaging. And also, you guys, their products are so inexpensive. Like, I know their lipsticks are like $5-6. The Super Shock shadows are like $5 as well. Ooh, this is a really pretty brick red with brown. It's this one right here. It's gorgeous. And I have not tried their lipstick, so I'm super excited about those. And the next one is their new Velvet Blur lipstick in the shade 21 Questions. And I have tried the original ones, and I actually have a few shades, and I really like those. They're really nice and creamy. They feel really nice on the lips. They're not drying or anything. Oh, it's really pretty. It's like a really nice red, but it's really light. It's really nice. It's that one right there. And then two more items. Okay. And these are also going to be lip products. So this one is their Ultra Glossy Lip. Oops. Let's see. Okay, let's take it out. It's in the shade Flying Horses. And this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty nude. Ooh, okay, so it's got like a brush tip applicator. And we'll put it over here. This is really pretty, actually. But it does feel a little sticky. So it's this one right here. And it's like a nudie mauve. And the next one is their Ultra Blotted Lip. And that's the packaging. And then this is in the shade Doozy. So this is what that looks like. Again, a very neutral pinky shade. And this one has the doe foot applicator. But it's really pretty. Oh wow. This is really pretty. And they smell vanilla-y. Now my whole hand smells like vanilla. That smells really good. Okay, so it's this one right here. So again, you guys, for $25, that was a great deal. We got the Super Shock highlighter. We got 2 of their Super Shock shadows. We got the Ultra Blotted and the Glossy Lip. We got the 21 Questions lipstick. We got the Snake Eyes pressed, pressed powder shadow. And we got, where's the other one? The BFF mascara. So that's a great value. It says that it was a $55 value that you got for $25. So definitely happy with it. I'm really glad I picked it up. I'm really excited to try out all the rest of the products. So what do you guys think? Did you think it was a good buy? I thought it was. Definitely let me know down below. Were you able to pick it up? What is it that you liked the most of it? And what is your favorite Colourpop products? Let me know down below so I can check them out, give them a try. Thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!